Good afternoon, YouTube family. It is Shirley coming to you with one of the smallest Ross hauls known to man. I only bought 4 items, and that is it. That's it. I went in there to get some stuff for the bathroom, and that's exactly what I came out with one thing for the bedroom. So I'm going to start with the biggest thing I got, which is the Sherly. Can I see this? It's the premium pillows, the soft and supportive comfort all night long. The king size is pretty big. I got this from my room. We're losing pillows like we lose socks, which just doesn't make sense. I don't know what's going on, but I am losing pillows. So I had to go get 2 more. I'm not sure how people could lose pillows, but somebody did something to them, so I had to go get 2 more. I went and got these beautiful baby teal towels. Oh my god. By Nautica. They're gorgeous. Oh, the pillows were $19.99 for 2, king size, from Sherly. So that was a great buy. This is a baby blue teal. I'm going to switch out the guest bathroom downstairs to this beautiful teal for, where are we, spring now? Yeah, we just turned into spring, so I went and got this beautiful soft color. I'm excited about this. For the bathroom, I got 2 of them. Right? Oh my god. Really excited. So soft, and I just love the colors. Also went and got the rug for it too. You see? Oh my gosh, it's so soft. There you go. I keep forgetting the price. The towels, the bath towels were $7.99 each. They're just the regular bath towels. And the Maiden Lane was $8.99. There we go. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh. Isn't that nice? There we go. Really excited. Just to spruce up that area for spring, get it ready. And that was my itty bitty tiny. I told you it was gonna be fast, quick, sweet, and to the point. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick Ross trip that I went in and out, and that was it. I went into Ross to go find my god baby something to wear. I couldn't find anything, so I just went and got some stuff for the bathroom and went right out, and that was it. I hope you guys continue on being a blessing to others. Let me know how everybody's doing. How are you guys feeling so far in the month of April? Oh my gosh. Continue on being a blessing to others, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye.